Alignment, alignment, alignment. What the heck is alignment? Hello and welcome. If you have been following me for a while, you have heard me say many times the words alignment and misalignment and muscle imbalances. But what is alignment and why is it important for the human frame? Good alignment is related to the position and the line up of the joints and the bones in the body. And good alignment is when we have our knees, the knee joints nicely sitting on top of the ankle joints, and the hip joints nicely sitting on top of the knee joints, and the shoulder joints nicely sitting on top of the hip joints, and the head nicely sitting on top of the spine, where the ears are more or less in line with the middle of the shoulder. So this is the good alignment we hear about. When we talk about alignment, we have to mention gravity, because gravity is what allows us to stand and to walk around. And the body works with gravity to keep us upright. When the body is in good alignment, the joints stacked on top of each other and the head nicely on top of the spine, the body and gravity are in a good relationship, which means that the body have no effort whatsoever to stay upright. The muscles in front of the body are working together with the muscles in the back of the body to keep us balanced and to keep us upright without effort whatsoever. And while the muscles in front of the body and the muscles on the back of the body and all the rest of the muscles are with this in good alignment, then they are as well toning up because they are doing their job and are healthy. Now, when we are not in alignment, then it's a very different story. Something else, when we are in alignment, the internal organs are also in their optimal position to function properly. So, when we are out of alignment, that means that the body, the muscles and the bones are no longer in the good relationship with gravity. They are fighting. And the body, the muscles and the bones have to do extra work to keep us upright. So say that my shoulders are rolling forwards. This is a very common postural position, postural habit nowadays. Say that my shoulders are forwards, and when my shoulders are forwards, my spine rounds and my head comes forwards, because my shoulders are attached to the spine, my head is attached to the spine, everything is connected. When one part of the body is out of alignment, it's going to affect many other parts of the body. So say that this is where I am, this is where my body is. Shoulders rolling forwards, the head is forwards. I'm no longer in alignment. I'm no longer in good alignment. And because I'm no longer in good alignment, for my body to keep me up here and not fall on the floor, the body has to work extra hard with gravity to keep me here. The muscles in my back are holding me back so that I don't fall on the floor, doing extra work. The muscles in front of my body, they are not doing very much, which means they are getting weaker by the day. And the muscles in the back, because I'm doing so much hard work, they are getting stiffer and stiffer. And this is why if I try to come up here, it's going to be very painful and difficult for me to stay up here. And that is because the muscles in the front of my body, they are weak and they don't have that elasticity any longer to keep me upright. And the muscles in the back, they are too hard and stiff and it's going to hurt. So that's why I'll bounce back straight into my usual posture, because it's less painful, it's easier to be here. Okay? What this does as well, being in this misalignment, out of alignment, also means that the internal organs are no longer in their optimal position, optimal place, and that means they cannot do their job efficiently. And that is why one of the reasons many people have breathing issues or digestive issues is because the organs cannot function properly. Something else, if my muscles are doing extra work, it is tiring, and it is one of the reasons many people have chronic fatigue and lack of energy, and that is because during their waking hours their body is doing extra work and it's tiring. So there are many healthy complications when we are out of alignment. This out of alignment with time creates misalignments in the body. The position of the bones, the pelvis, the knees, the ankles, the spine, they all move. And that is why we get aches and pains, discomfort in the body. And eventually that roundness in the back, if I have this position in my body, this partial habit. So this is why it is important to understand alignment and to pay attention to the way we hold ourselves as we go about life, so that we don't create all these health issues, the aches and the pains and discomfort and that roundness in the back. Now, as I said, we will create misalignments as we go about life, and if you want to address those misalignments in your body, if you want to come out of those aches and pains and discomforts, then you need to adjust the body. You need to come out as much as you can out of those misalignments that you have created through life. And there is only two ways of doing that, and one cannot go without the other. The first is exercises, doing a set of regular exercises for the body to start readjusting itself. Gentle exercises, no hard or pushy exercise. It has to be gentle for the bones to readjust. And the other way is learning how to go about life with good posture to prevent the misalignments in the first place. So exercises and learning how to move the body, and one cannot go without the other. So if you want to correct the misalignments in your body, if you want to learn how to go about life with good posture, then please have a look at my online exercise program called Better Posture for a Better Life. I only open this program once a year. And if you miss the boat this time, then you need to wait for another year to join. Together with this Better Posture for Better Life program, exercise program, you have an extra super duper bonus. You will have free access to my new Posture Master class. How to go about life with good posture to prevent a hunched back and to look good. So, if you want to look at the details of my online Better Posture for a Better Life, which will be closed in a few days, then please have a look at the link below. And if you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you at a next video. Bye bye now.